Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up almost 2% right now. It is a very nice reaction, but the situation is still very delicate. I'm sorry I could not update you guys last Friday on my thoughts on Tesla. My voice was not that good at the moment, so I'm sorry about that, but today I will update you guys. We're gonna discuss about Tesla's price action and I'm gonna reveal to you what Tesla needs to do in order to fully recover, to fly again, and what it takes for it to drop and to resume the bearish bias. I will tell you guys the most important key points to watch in Tesla. First, remember, subscribe to this channel if you're new around here, and if you are already my subscriber, click on the like button because you know that our content is very good, alright? So seriously, consider subscribing, support this channel. Now, back to Tesla. I firmly believe Tesla's fate is highly connected to the indices. I don't believe Tesla will resume its bearish trend seen in the daily chart over here, lower highs, lower lows. I don't believe we're gonna keep doing that if the indices keep above their support levels. On the S&P, the support levels are namely the 40-90, this red line over here, and the 21 exponential moving average. The Nasdaq index has a crystal clear support level around 11.8 and the 21 EMA as well. Both indices are above their support level, so I believe the odds are that Tesla will reverse the trend. I will do a better, deeper analysis on the S&P index today, so I really recommend watching my next video in this channel. But for now, let's focus on Tesla only. When we see a chart like this, it feels like, okay, it is just a bear trend. Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows. And today and last week, we hit the 21 EMA and we are trying to drop again. However, there are some very important key points for us to watch for now. The first one is the 700. This support level was May 26 support level, and the moment Tesla lost our 730s over here, as I already warned you guys last Thursday, I believe, we lost this point, okay, so we're not bullish anymore. The moment we lost it, we just sought the next support levels and we hit the 700s 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we could not lose this support level over here. Instead, we bounced back up again to the EMA area, and what's interesting, we bounced back up to the $730 again. So this point, which was a previous support level, it is working as a resistance right now. It did work over here, it did work over here today, and it could work again tomorrow or in the next few days. As long as Tesla does not lose the 700s, the bearish momentum will not resume again. I believe only if we lose the 700s, we're gonna drop to lower levels, most likely below the 680, which was the previous key point, the trigger point of this double bottom chart pattern, which was a buy sign to me. And I told you guys about this buy sign the moment we broke the 680s over here. So, okay, we broke it, we went up nicely. Right now, we are at risk of seeing this level again, or even below this level. But we must first lose the 700s. Only if we lose the 700s, the bearish bias will resume. However, if we break the 730s again, if we break this red line by doing an upwards breakout, I believe Tesla will reverse the trend once more and will enter in bullish territory. Meaning, if we break the 730s, I believe we will easily seek, not this resistance, but this area over here, right? Around 780.80. This point was a resistance on May 13, was a resistance again last week on June 2, and right now if we break 730s, I believe we're going to retest this point again. In fact, the 780.80 is a technical target for a possible double bottom chart pattern, another double bottom chart pattern on Tesla. Can you guys see this possible double bottom over here? We bounced back up over here, we dropped, we bounced back up, and then we dropped again, and we could potentially break the previous key point at 730. However, we didn't yet. Okay, we are still in a delicate situation, so I would wait for a breakout of 730 before assuming anything, before assuming we can fly again. And in addition, of course, similarly, I would wait for Tesla lose the 700s in order to say, oh, it's bearish again. We are again in bear territory. No, to me, Tesla is just neutral, all right? But again, as I told you, I believe the odds favor the bulls as long as the indices keep above their support levels. Okay, so yes, I favor a bullish scenario over here. I think the technique favors a bullish scenario in this circumstance. What's more, if Tesla actually holds over here and breaks this double bottom chart pattern in the 1 hour chart, I believe we will have decent chances of triggering a possible bullish pivot point. We could break the next resistance, and if Tesla does this, it will be the first pivot point since bullish pivot point since March. Okay, so this is going to be very meaningful and interesting movement in Tesla. I believe this is what it takes. It really takes for Tesla to do an amazing reversal in the midterm as well. What's more, we have a possible inverted head and shoulders as well, right? So if that's the case, if Tesla actually triggers this pivot point at the same time this inverted head and shoulders, I believe the 900s is going to be easily our next target. Of course, I believe the optimal target would be 858, which is this gap over here. But since the next resistance level is only around 950, I believe that's another plausible target for us to work with. So for now, again, let me be extremely clear to you guys. I am neutral as long as Tesla remains in this congestion between $700s, $730. To whatever side we break, I believe we're gonna see a nice movement afterwards. Remember to watch my analysis on the S&P, and if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber yet, what the hell are you doing? Remember, my friends, subscribe to this channel if you wanna keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.